Okay, so... Hey, Bob, what are you doing? Hey, look at Bob with the filter. Hey, so we got a miracle on 44th Street. Oh, look, I got some pain in my nose. Oh, no. That must mean I'm crappy or whatever. No one wants to stick their... Hey. So we got a miracle. Okay, Don, the ranger, he was talking to Timmy, the guy from San Diego who plays with puppets. Oh, I know who you are, Timmy. I watch you. I see who you are. But Jack Sparrow, he's hanging out with Bob Marley. Hey, what you say, Bob? Bob never says anything to you. But anyway, check out this magical thing that happened on the YouTube. Enjoy the show. I like you. Anyhow. And another thing, howdy, Timmy. And, I appreciate you watching my channel, anyhow. You know, and another thing, I know I'm not one of the bigger, like, RVers. I'm just a retired trucker with a wholesome family. And, you know, and another thing, anyhow, I'm trying to pray for you. Anyhow, howdy. We appreciate you watching us. And another thing, I appreciate you making no ducks have been harmed in the use of your videos. Anyhow, and another thing, I appreciate you knowing enough knowledge about me being a retired trucker. Worked hard for my family. I still work hard on my channel. Anyhow, never really thought I'd make it to Puppet. And then you called me Ranger, which I told you can call me Don. And another thing. Anyhow, if you've watched enough of my channels, God bless. We appreciate you. And another thing, anyhow, I appreciate the fair use. Anyhow, Timmy, vloggertologist, anyhow, you know, if you could just keep your comments, it's easy to just block such, you know what's good and bad. I mean, anyhow, at our retired age. And another thing, you've heard me and my mama talk, you know you got some of the same values. And another thing, anyhow, I got more stuff done by 4:30 in the morning than most people got done during the day. Anyhow, because, another thing, I don't mind, and another thing, anyhow, I don't mind cutting my, nights of Fallout short, you know, especially for some quality content. And another thing for you to make Puppet out of. So, you know, without further ado, anyhow, look into that, anyhow. I did not laugh at any of my jokes. I apologize. And, another thing, thanks for watching me and supporting me and sending me that money through my PayPal. I appreciate that, Timmy. I didn't know who it was out of San Diego, but now I know who you are, Timmy. I appreciate you. And another thing, I'm gonna take the family out to a nice, another good thing, will take us out to a nice Sonic family time. And another thing, good night. God bless.
What was that stuff you had, Bob? It sure made you happy. Hey, Miracle on 44th Street. Hey, much love around the globe. Thanks for supporting on the Patreon, on the Spreadshirt. Everybody try to watch every single video, and always love them, camaraderie. Number one, I'm sorry, Bob got me missed. Number one, Mod Rosie. And always my Patreon, and give me Hulk, and give me I, and give me Patch, and hey, Blimey, Bob, I missed you. We need to collaborate, Bob, are you watching? Blimey, are you watching? Why are you not responding? Where is your channel?
This video was brought to you by Jones
Productions.
Productions.
Jones Productions, that's right. Thank you for joining us at Jones Productions. Much love to our number one mod, Rosie. We love you.